One percenters, buckle up. As if you follow my social media, you realize that I have a lot of energy, a lot of positive energy that I'm always waking up with. And that's not just a lucky draw, it's literally the life that I have been able to build through the wellness tricks, through the sleep enhancement, through the overall nutrition optimization and training at the smartest, highest level. Now, I've trained a lot of NBA players, over 150 to be exact, and obviously they are very great physical specimens, the 6'6", chiseled bodies, 40-inch vertical leaps, you know. But not all of us have those amazing gifts just given to us. But we all can have the same type of mindset, the same type of game plan, the blueprint that will lead us to ultimate breakthroughs in our lives, wake us up with energy every day from an amazing night's sleep. We can have a nutrition to get our body to literally look the way we want it to. And I'm gonna show you how you can train smarter. You don't have to train harder, you don't have to train longer, it's all about training smarter. And in this Wellness 1% course, I'm gonna take you through the steps, the top 5 steps, the 5 main steps that you will be able to conquer to give yourself a great night's sleep every single night. I'm gonna take you through the top 5 steps in nutrition that is gonna help you have the body you want. It's gonna help you lean, have your energy high, and just everything that you've wanted to understand about nutrition to pour it into yourself to make your blueprint, you're gonna have it. And I'm gonna show you the top 5 training tricks that is gonna make you train smarter. Not harder or longer, but it's gonna have you in the elite physical condition of some of these NBA players. Like, maybe we don't have those crazy gifts, but we have the mindset and we're able to do this. And I'm going to give you the blueprint in this 1% course, because you don't have to wake up groggy anymore. You can have ultimate energy. You can look the way you wanna look. You can train the way you wanna train and make it the 1%er that you are. So we're gonna dive deep into the sleep, the nutrition, and the training wellness blueprint coming at you.